Welcome back. In this video, we cover the IP, fingerprint integrity, and bot detection check template. This workflow is designed to validate BrowserAct agent configurations and optimize proxy selection. The process begins with a set of bot testing URLs. The agent navigates to each site, pauses for the background analysis to finish, scrolls to the bottom for data persistence, and then extracts the complete page data. The Run tab indicates a successful data extraction by the agent. With the raw bot detection data captured, we can now proceed to the n8n workflow for analysis and reporting. As always, I've included sticky notes in the n8n workflow to help you out. This scenario is triggered manually, and it clears the database at the very start to ensure a fresh run. We then use an edit fields node to define the test sites, followed by a split node to break the array down. Each link is sent into a loop where the BrowserAct node scrapes the page data and passes it to an AI agent. The agent analyzes the raw data. If it detects a bot, the test is marked as a failure. Otherwise, it's recorded as a success, and all results are saved directly into a Google Sheet. After the loop, we hit another edit fields node, where we define additional sites, specifically, the target site you're aiming to scrape. This step checks if your target is accessible with your current proxy. We send that raw data to another AI agent, which scans for loading issues or captcha failures. Once saved to the Google Sheet, the workflow retrieves and aggregates all findings into a single array. This final dataset is passed to a third AI agent. Make sure to use the Stringify function here, so the AI can read the data properly, which analyzes the complete results and generates a full report detailing exactly what is wrong with your proxy. This final output demonstrates the proxy's performance across various test environments. This workflow is essential for validating proxies before deploying them in production agents. All results are logged in this Google Sheets database for long-term tracking and data retrieval. Thank you for following along. That concludes this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.